In this video, we get a cheap Nitro and see if it's any good. Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Guys, check it out. I've just got myself a Nitro Truggy. I've never had a Nitro Truggy before, so I'm all new to this. So you guys can come along with me on my ride to figure out if this is going to be any good or not. Now this is dirt. Actually, I'm not going to say it because some of you guys always get upset. So I'm just going to put a link down below where you can see all the techno babble, the prices, all of that lot. Subscribe. Oh, right, I suppose I better put some wheels on it. Subscribe and like and smash the bell. Yeah, don't literally smash the bell, guys. What happened? But guys, check it out. It does look pretty epic. Now, I did just notice it comes with a Force 28 engine. And if you don't know what that means, it means it's pretty good. So a lot of HPI models come with a Force engine, and these are definitely one of the better, cheaper engines. So you get almost everything that you need to get this to run. So you get the car, you get the radio, you get the instructions and a little spanner for your wheels, but you do need to supply your own fuel, and you do need to get a glow starter. So I'm going to put a link down below to a Nitro starter set that's going to help get you going. Oh, right, let's have a little look to see what's inside. So here's the engine, steel gears, and there's a couple of disc brakes, just like what you would find on a real car. So we've got metal shocks, metal towers, a load of other metal parts. But as I said, I'm not going to bore you with a babble, so there's going to be a link to all of that lot down below. And the radio that it comes with is definitely one of the better cheapo radios. This is one of the Fly Sky ones. So it comes with one of these receiver boxes here where you put 4 AA batteries into, but I don't really trust these because these are pretty likely to cause runaways, which can be funny if it's not your car, but you don't want it to happen when it's yours. So I'm going to be using this hump pack here, and I'm going to put a link down below to a similar one. So steering, plenty of power, not the fastest turbo in the world, but what do you expect for a cheapo? And then we got throttle and brakes. And if you look in there, it's actually got 4 disc brakes. Anyway, enough waffling, let's take it out for a blast. Guys, check it out. The sun is out again. Check out the weather.
That's running then.
Yeah. Alright, ready to run it in?
Done, ready, right now, thrash the bikes off it. Straight across that field, flat out, that'll be running by the time it comes back.
Run it in fast, it'll be fast. Alright, body's on.
Well, now, you're about